So you probably saw that Lombard now has their own LBTC, but you're trying to figure out how do I get started? Well, this will actually be being done on the Ethereum blockchain, so we'll have to bridge into Sui. So in this video, I'll show you how to swap, swap, and swap once more, and then from there you're able to have LBTC, stake that on Suilend, and start to see the rewards pour in. So if you don't already have Ethereum on a MetaMask or actually Phantom, for example, then you're like, I don't know what to do. Well, you are in luck. So I did a video a while back about SimpleSwap saying you can basically swap Sui into any cryptocurrency or the opposite. So if you want to swap Solana into Sui, SimpleSwap has your back. If you want to do Ethereum into Sui, SimpleSwap has your back. And the only thing you'll be doing is at the very top, you'll be saying how much Sui do I want to basically put into Ethereum. So if I did 50 Sui at the time of this video, which it is March 9th around 7 p.m. EST, it would be 0.0558 Ethereum. Then all I would have to do is hit exchange. Once I hit exchange, this is where the magic happens with SimpleSwap. I already have some Ethereum in my account, so I won't be swapping this right now. Then all you have to do is from here, you just put in your Ethereum address, and then when you hit create exchange, it'll say deposit the 50 Sui into the address they give you, and the process should take about 5 to 10 minutes. I've had times where I've taken 1 to 2 minutes. So it really just depends on how congested the network actually is. And that's SimpleSwap. And I haven't used Uniswap since basically 2023. I really have never needed to be honest. So we're bringing back Uniswap since we're on Ethereum to get LBTC. So we're able to swap Ethereum to LBTC. And then after this, we have one more swap with Sui Bridge and we're good to go. So obviously we need to connect our wallet. So in the right-hand side, we'll hit connect. Personally, I will be using MetaMask for this, because this is usually where most of my Ethereum is at. So from here, you would just do Ethereum and then you would just search LBTC. So if we did 0.005, actually, let's just do a little bit more just in case. So 0.006 is around $12 in Ethereum. And that should give us a little bit of LBTC, and the gas fees look like it will be 98 cents. So all I have to do is hit review, continue, swap. Okay, network is busy. We get a higher amazing gas price. Won't happen to you on the Sui though. On average, you have a 0.003 gas price, which is super nice. Okay, so it is swapping right now. It is pending. Oh, we just got something. Transaction is confirmed. So we now should have some LBTC. So just like that, we're able to swap. Actually, that was faster than I thought. Multiple times every time I try Ethereum, it is slow, but looks like no one is using Ethereum, so it went by pretty quick. Last but not least, this will be the last swap before we're able to use actually the DeFi. So first thing first is you'll be going to bridge.sui.io. And from here, you'll connect your Ethereum wallet and your Sui wallet. So we'll do this really quick. Okay, so we have done that. So we have linked our Ethereum and Sui wallet now, and I'll show you at the basic top right-hand side. And from here, it'll say, hey, you have 0.0001492 LBTC. Delicious. So from here, we just hit max $12, which is exactly what we did. Then we'll hit approve allowance. And from here, we'll hit next. Approve, and gas fee was about 22 cents, so that wasn't that bad compared to the $2 we just spent swapping. Okay, I think it went through. It said confirm, so that is good. Let's check on Suilend now. Okay, so we'll hit Suilend, we'll hit connect wallet, we'll connect our wallet. Okay, connected. Let's see here. Okay, we're scrolling down. I do not see LBTC. Let me look on the account. It might just take a little bit to recognize that we did do the swap. So I will basically cut to that part when we verify that is on Sui wallet. And then from there, I'll show you how to stake it on Suilend and we'll be good to go. Okay, so for some odd reason, the first transaction did not grab it from the Ethereum blockchain. So we redid it, and this is what we're seeing right now. It says it has been initiated. It is verifying, claim, and deliver. So this is what should have popped up the first time we clicked bridge. So now we just kind of have to wait, and then we're able to claim it, and then boom, it should be in our Sui wallet. And from there, we're able to deposit it into Suilend. Also, I just noticed I was not even wearing my head bandana. I have failed you all, but at least I have my pineapple mic, so pineapple mug. That was one of also my favorite things in the Philippines, was getting fresh pineapple for a lot cheaper pricing compared to the US. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video and the whole process, and I'm trying to make all these tutorials as simple as possible. So if you guys have any suggestions on what you guys would like to see next, let me know down below. Okay, so it actually took only 13 minutes as it stated at the very beginning. So we are now complete, and I'm doing this all in real time just to show you guys how the process is working. Obviously I had to speed this up because it actually shows you right here. So at 6:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the transaction went through. It is now 7:13. So we'll just hit convert, and it should pop up with Sui wallet. Right hand side, it'll be saying we are putting this into the native Sui wallet. We'll hit approve. We'll get our password out. Okay, we just hit approve and it is working. Transaction has been successful. So now let's refresh Suilend and deposit that in. So if we scroll down, let's see if it shows up. Aha! Right there. There we go. LBTC is currently at $80,587.24. We are obviously in the red, but my high hopes are up, and I will continue to push out educational content for y'all. Okay, so then all we have to do is go over here. We'll hit deposit. We'll hit max. So we'll be getting 4.81%, and the rewards are in deep, which is pretty cool. So we'll just hit deposit and we'll scroll down. We'll hit approve. And then from here, we put in our password one more time. Okay, and we are deposited. We are earning 4.81% on deep. So that's how simple it is. It is also 3% to borrow LBTC. So if you're looking to lend and borrow at the same time, I highly recommend it. That is a great way to fully utilize the full platform of Suilend. Well, I wanted to make this video as simple as possible. As I stated in the video, I want to make the best educational content so beginners and intermediates can watch it and understand what I'm talking about. So my name is TREVIN, or TREVIN versus NFT, but don't worry, because I will see you in Web3. Look at that neon sign. Isn't that cool? Oh, so cool.